Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely, very rare Golf R-Line diesel. Fantastic condition, finished in silver with a high specification. Got front park distance control, active cruise control, diamond cut alloy wheels finished with silver and black, privacy glass to the rear, tilt and slide panoramic roof, rear park distance control, twin exhausts, boots in lovely condition, the Golf R-Line interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, R-Line embossed seats, downside sunroof. It's an 83,987 miles. Just start the car up. Auto headlights, cruise control, 6-speed gearbox,
That could spoil yourself.
different modes of driving, climate control, air conditioning, centre armrest, satellite navigation, Parktronic, Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, DAB radio, full menu. Really does have a lot of specification. Yeah, the tilt side panoramic roof with a blind. At DJH are full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.